this is our new model G2 dash camera. It has two camera record. The front camera is 2K video quality. The rear camera is with 1080 video quality. The TF card and SIM card can be locked here. It fits the 9 to 36 voltage input. This is the power cable. Also can support the SOS button. Camera 1 SOS, and this one is GPS. The green wire is for the AO alarm trigger. These three wires for the power connection, ground, connect ground. Yellow wire is the connector ECC, red wire connector to the power positive end of the car battery. Front camera, and when we install it, like here, put the install pad here, and on the front window screen.